A Mercedes doesn't reach 300,000 miles by accident. Owners who get there follow a very specific set of habits that protect the systems most people overlook. In this video, I'm breaking down 17 proven Mercedes-specific habits that separate long-term, trouble-free ownership from expensive breakdowns. So by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for making your Mercedes last well beyond what most owners ever achieve. Number 1. Adjust oil change intervals for your driving style. While the Mercedes Assist Plus system often signals a 10,000-mile interval, many specialists recommend 5,000-mile changes for severe duty driving conditions. Short trips, heavy stop-and-go traffic, or extreme temperatures all qualify as severe duty and accelerate oil degradation beyond laboratory test conditions. This prevents oil dilution and sludge buildup over decades of use, especially important for turbocharged Mercedes engines that operate under higher stress conditions. The additional cost of more frequent oil changes is minimal compared to potential engine damage from extended intervals under demanding conditions. Real-world driving often accelerates oil degradation faster than lab tests assume, particularly in urban environments with frequent cold starts and short trips that don't allow engines to reach full operating temperature consistently. Number 2. Use only MB-approved operating fluids. Mercedes systems are sensitive to chemical balance and require fluids meeting specific MB sheet specifications, such as MB 229.5 for oil or MB 325.0/325.6 for coolant. Using generic fluids can degrade seals and internal components over the long term, even if they seem compatible initially. These specifications aren't marketing gimmicks, but reflect actual chemical requirements for Mercedes' sophisticated systems. The wrong coolant can cause corrosion in aluminum components, while incorrect oil specifications can affect variable valve timing and turbocharger lubrication. Specialists consistently find MB spec fluids provide better long-term protection for Mercedes components compared to generic alternatives that meet only basic industry standards but lack the specific additives Mercedes systems require. Number 3. Service the lifetime transmission. Many owner manuals label automatic gearboxes as sealed for life, but while labeled sealed for life under normal conditions, Mercedes TSBs recommend service every 40,000 to 60,000 miles for severe duty or high mileage vehicles to ensure the valve, body, and conductor plate remain debris-free. Transmission fluid breaks down over time and accumulates metal particles that can clog hydraulic passages and cause erratic shifting or complete failure. Most real-world driving includes conditions that accelerate fluid degradation beyond ideal laboratory conditions. Mercedes' own technical service bulletins acknowledge that severe driving conditions may require more frequent transmission service, and most urban driving qualifies as severe according to their definitions. Number 4. Perform biennial brake fluid flushes. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs water from the atmosphere over time. To protect the sensitive ABS and ESP pumps, follow the factory recommendation of a full flush every 2 years regardless of mileage, as water contamination can cause internal corrosion and expensive system failures. Modern Mercedes brake systems use sophisticated electronic components that are particularly sensitive to moisture contamination. Water in brake fluid lowers the boiling point and can cause brake fade, while also corroding internal components that can be expensive to replace. The biennial flush schedule is based on actual moisture absorption rates in typical climates and represents the maximum safe interval before water contamination reaches problematic levels. Number 5. Monitor your fuel delivery system. On older models with external filters, replace them every 60,000 miles to prevent fuel pump damage from restricted flow. For newer models with in-tank lifetime units, avoid driving consistently on an empty tank, which can cause the pump to overheat and fail prematurely due to inadequate fuel cooling. Fuel pumps rely on gasoline for cooling and lubrication, so running on empty regularly exposes the pump to excessive heat and wear. This is particularly important for high-pressure direct injection systems that operate at much higher pressures than traditional port injection. Fuel system failures can cascade, where a failing pump may damage expensive injection components, turning a moderate repair into a major expense that could have been prevented with proper fuel level management. Number 6. The 30-second cold start rule. In extreme cold, allow the engine to idle for 20 to 30 seconds before driving to ensure oil circulates properly and hydraulic lifters have stabilized. This prevents excessive wear during the critical first moments of operation when oil pressure is building and components are expanding to operating clearances. Modern Mercedes engines use sophisticated variable valve timing that requires proper oil pressure to function correctly. Immediate high RPM operation before the system stabilizes can cause timing errors and potential internal damage over time. This brief warm-up period is a compromise between preventing cold start wear and avoiding excessive idling that wastes fuel and increases emissions. 30 seconds provides adequate protection without environmental concerns. Number 7. Drive for thermal cycles. Short 5-minute trips prevent the engine from reaching full operating temperature, leading to condensation in the oil and carbon deposits on intake valves. Take the car on a 20-plus minute highway drive at least once a week to burn off these impurities and ensure all systems reach proper operating temperature. Direct injection engines are particularly susceptible to carbon buildup because fuel doesn't wash over the intake valves. Regular thermal cycling helps prevent deposit formation and keeps the engine management system properly calibrated. This habit is especially important for city drivers who rarely experience sustained highway operation. The thermal cycling helps maintain proper combustion chamber conditions and prevents moisture accumulation in the crankcase. Number 8. Proactive engine and transmission mount care. Mercedes uses hydraulic oil-filled mounts to maintain cabin serenity, but when they fail, the excess vibration can stress the exhaust manifold and drivetrain components. Replace them as soon as you feel unusual vibration at idle to prevent secondary damage to more expensive components. Failed engine mounts create a cascade effect where increased vibration can accelerate wear on other components throughout the drivetrain. Early replacement of mounts helps prevent this expensive chain reaction from developing. Hydraulic mounts provide superior vibration isolation compared to solid mounts, but they require replacement more frequently. The investment in quality mounts pays dividends in reduced wear on surrounding components. Number 9. Belt and pulley maintenance. Inspect serpentine belts and idler pulleys every 60,000 to 80,000 miles for signs of wear or noise. While total failure is rare, a snap belt can leave you stranded or, in certain cases, damage nearby accessory components like the alternator or power steering pump. Modern Mercedes engines use a single serpentine belt to drive multiple accessories, making belt failure more consequential than older multi-belt systems. Regular inspection allows you to replace belts before they fail catastrophically. Pulley bearing failure often precedes belt failure, so listening for unusual noises during routine maintenance can prevent roadside breakdowns and protect expensive accessory components from damage. Number 10. Address cold start rattles early. If you hear a brief metallic rattle on startup, It often indicates wear on the camshaft adjusters or timing chain tensioners, common on some Mercedes engines. Fixing this early can prevent timing issues that may lead to valve-to-piston contact and serious engine damage. These rattles typically last only a few seconds as oil pressure builds, but they indicate that internal components are experiencing metal-to-metal contact during startup. Early intervention prevents expensive internal engine damage. Timing chain and adjuster problems are progressive, meaning they worsen over time if ignored. Addressing them at the first sign of symptoms is far less expensive than waiting for complete failure. Number 11. Clear sunroof and cowl drains. This maintenance task is critical for preventing water damage to expensive electronics. Clogged drains can overflow into the footwells, potentially damaging the SAM, signal acquisition module, and other control units, often costing thousands to replace. Mercedes vehicles have multiple drain points that can become clogged with leaves and debris over time. Regular cleaning prevents water intrusion that can cause electrical problems throughout the vehicle's complex electronic systems. Water damage to electronic modules often creates intermittent problems that are difficult to diagnose and expensive to repair. Prevention through drain maintenance is far more cost-effective than dealing with water damage after it occurs. Number 12. Smooth braking for drivetrain longevity. Consistent smooth braking reduces stress on suspension components, extending bushing and joint life. While Mercedes bushings are robust, avoiding panic stops in daily driving helps maintain that new car steering feel past 150,000 miles and reduces wear on expensive suspension components. Aggressive braking creates high loads throughout the suspension system, accelerating wear on bushings, ball joints, and other components that affect handling and ride quality. Smooth braking extends the life of these expensive components. Smooth braking techniques also reduce brake pad wear and heat buildup, extending the life of rotors and other brake system components while maintaining consistent stopping performance. Number 13. Winter undercarriage hygiene. Road salt is the primary enemy of Mercedes subframes and brake lines, particularly in regions with harsh winter conditions. A weekly undercarriage wash during winter months is essential to prevent structural rust that can compromise safety and require expensive repairs. Mercedes uses sophisticated corrosion protection, but road salt can overwhelm these systems over time. Regular washing removes salt deposits before they can cause permanent damage to structural components. Brake lines and fuel lines are particularly vulnerable to salt corrosion, and their failure can create safety hazards in addition to expensive repairs. Preventive washing is far less expensive than replacing corroded components. Number 14. Upholstery and MB text conditioning. Protect the interior from UV damage by conditioning leather or MB text every 3 to 6 months with appropriate products. This prevents the cracking and fading that often makes high-mileage cars feel worn out and helps maintain resale value over time. Interior conditioning isn't just cosmetic. It prevents material degradation that can lead to expensive reupholstery work. Quality conditioning products provide UV protection and maintain material flexibility. Well-maintained interiors significantly impact resale value and ownership satisfaction. The relatively small investment in conditioning products pays dividends in maintained appearance and reduced replacement costs. Number 15. Invest in Mercedes-specific diagnostic tools. Generic OBD. 2 scanners can't access most Mercedes modules or provide the detailed information needed for proper diagnosis. Tools like iCarsoft or Foxwell NT530 allow you to read manufacturer-specific codes and catch minor sensor issues before they become major repairs. Mercedes vehicles use proprietary communication protocols that generic scanners cannot access. Specific diagnostic tools provide the detailed information needed to identify problems early and verify proper system operation. Early problem detection through proper diagnostics can prevent minor issues from cascading into major repairs. The investment in diagnostic capability pays for itself through prevented breakdowns and more accurate maintenance timing. Number 16. Repair minor leaks immediately. A small oil weep from a valve cover can drip onto an alternator or rubber coolant hoses, potentially causing them to fail prematurely. In Mercedes vehicles, an ounce of prevention truly saves a pound of cure, as minor leaks can lead to expensive secondary damage if ignored. Mercedes engine bays are densely packed with sensitive components, so even minor leaks may cause expensive damage to nearby systems. Early repair of small leaks helps prevent costly cascade failures. Oil contamination can damage rubber components, electrical connections, and other sensitive parts throughout the engine bay. Addressing leaks promptly prevents this secondary damage from occurring. Number 17. Utilize specialized independent shops. You don't always need the dealership, but you do need a technician with Star/Zentry software and Mercedes-specific knowledge. A specialist who understands the quirks of German engineering will save you thousands in misdiagnosed parts over 300,000 miles of ownership. Mercedes vehicles require specialized knowledge and equipment for proper diagnosis and repair. Independent specialists often provide better value than dealerships while maintaining the expertise needed for complex Mercedes systems. The relationship with a knowledgeable Mercedes specialist becomes invaluable over long-term ownership. Their understanding of common problems and proper repair procedures can prevent expensive mistakes and ensure reliable operation. The ownership mindset for 300,000 miles. Achieving 300,000 miles with minimal major repairs requires a proactive mindset that views maintenance as an investment rather than an expense. Each of these 17 habits contributes to a comprehensive approach that protects your Mercedes investment over decades of ownership. The key is consistency in applying these habits rather than waiting for problems to develop. Preventive maintenance is always less expensive than reactive repairs, particularly with sophisticated vehicles like Mercedes. Understanding that Mercedes vehicles are engineered for longevity when properly maintained helps justify the investment in quality fluids, regular service, and proper diagnostic equipment. These 17 habits represent the difference between Mercedes ownership that's financially rewarding and ownership that becomes a constant source of expensive surprises. Common issues like timing chain problems, hydraulic mount failures, and electronic water damage are often preventable with proper habits. Following MB-approved fluid specifications, adjusting service intervals for real-world conditions, maintaining proper thermal cycles, and addressing problems early creates a foundation for reliable high-mileage ownership. The investment in proper maintenance pays dividends through avoided repairs and maintaining reliability. Your Mercedes was engineered to last 300,000 miles when these systems are properly maintained. The difference between success and expensive failure lies in following these proven habits consistently rather than hoping that basic maintenance will be sufficient. The choice is yours. Follow these 17 habits and enjoy decades of reliable Mercedes ownership, or ignore them and face the expensive consequences that come with neglecting sophisticated German engineering. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.